Welcome back to the Wix Automations playlist. When building automated workflows, the timing of your actions is essential. You don't want to send a thank you for your order email and then immediately send a please leave a review email. That's where the delay step comes in. A delay is simply a time buffer that tells Wix to pause the automation for a set period before moving to the next step. There are two types of delays in Wix. Wait for a specified period and wait until a scheduled date. So in today's video, let's learn how to add a delay to your automation flow. On your site's dashboard, go to the left and look for Automations. Click on Create Automation and then select Start from Scratch. First, you're going to have to rename your automation to properly label it. Rename it however you want to. Next, we're going to select a trigger. A trigger is the action that tells Wix when to run the automation. This will depend on you and what you want to automate, so feel free to choose any trigger you want for your goal. In my case, I will select Visitor On-Site. By the way, you're going to have to configure the settings here on the left for your selected trigger. So set the things up here that you need to set up. Oh, and by the way, the things you see here would vary depending on what trigger you selected. Anyway, no matter what trigger you select, make sure that you configure the settings here on the left panel according to your needs and preferences. Once you're done configuring the settings, double check them, and if everything's okay, you can now click on Apply. Alright, it's time to add the delay. Click on this blinking plus button and select Delay. Now, you're going to have to choose whether you want to wait for a specific period or wait until a scheduled date. So select an option and input additional options below that. If you select the first option, indicate a numerical value over here and whether it's a minute, hour, week, day, etc. So in my case, I'm going to go with 10 minutes. But if you want to wait until a scheduled date, of course, you're going to have to select a date and a time. Once you're done configuring the settings here, double check everything, and if everything's all good, you can then click on Apply. Alright, so our delay has been placed. Now, you can add an action. So click on this plus button and select Action. And on the left, you can select your preferred action. It will be all up to you depending on what you want to happen or what you want to automate. And once you select an action, don't forget to configure its settings here on the left panel. Once you're done, review everything and click on Apply. Before you activate your automation, make sure to recheck your flow. See if your flow is correct. And if everything's as it should be, you can now click on Activate to start running your automation. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.